Jai Hind and welcome to all. I know very well that you are getting tired of videos and activities and worksheets. So let's do some fun. Let's do a warm-up activity. Start. One, two, three, start. Are you ready? Let's go. Now let's play one another game. The name of the game is the Simon Says. In that, what you have to do? Uh, I will speak body parts name, and you have to do action. For example, if I say touch your head, you have to touch your head. Touch your shoulder, you have to touch your shoulder. Touch your knee, you have to touch your knee. Touch your toe, you have to touch your toe. But if I say touch your head, so you have to touch your head. If I say touch your shoulder, where do you have to touch? You have to touch your shoulder. Those who will do wrong, they will out. Okay? Okay, start. Now let's play the Simon Says game. Okay. Touch your head, touch your shoulder, touch your knee, touch your toe, touch your head, touch your eyes, touch your nose, touch your ear, touch your shoulder. Is out. Knee is out. Let's play one more time. Touch your head, touch your eyes, touch your nose, touch your head, touch your toe, touch your head, touch your eyes, touch your shoulder, touch your knee, touch your head, touch your eyes. That's out. Touch your head, touch your knee, touch your shoulder, touch your eyes, touch your knee. Out. Somewhat out. Touch your eyes, touch your shoulder, touch your toe, touch your head, touch your eyes, touch your knee. Move out. Touch your head, touch your knee, touch your eyes, touch your knee, touch your shoulder, touch your head, touch your eyes, touch your toe. Move out. Okay. One more time. Arthav is winner. Okay. This is also one type of Simon Says game, but we will play this game in different way. Okay. If I say touch your head, you have to touch your head. Touch your shoulder, you have to touch your shoulder. Touch your knee, you have to touch your knee. Touch your toe, you have to touch your toe. But when I say the hanky, so at that time you have to pick up the hanky. Okay? Okay, start. Touch your head, shoulder, knee, toe, head, shoulder, knee, toe, head, shoulder, knee, toe, head, shoulder, hanging. Knee. Now, you stand here. Stand here. Okay. Head, shoulder, knee, toe, head, shoulder, knee, toe, head, shoulder, knee, toe, head, hanging. Manu sound. Now you come here. Head, shoulder, knee, toe, head, shoulder, knee, toe, head, shoulder, knee, hanging. Okay, you only one. Stand. Head, shoulder, knee, toe, head, shoulder, knee, toe, head, shoulder, knee, hanging. Artha Baba. Now only one. Head, shoulder, knee, toe, head, shoulder, knee, toe, head, shoulder, knee, hanging. Guru is winner. So did you enjoy the activity of Simon Says? In that we learnt our different body parts. Now let's play one more game. In and out. In this what you have to do? When I say in, so you have to jump and come inside the circle. Jump, in. When say out, you have to go outside. Okay? Have you understood all? Those who will do wrong, they will out. Okay? Start. In, out, in, out, in, out, out, in, out, in, both out, 3 out. Out, in, 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 out, in. You know. The winner is Samar. So did you enjoy the last activity that we did, in and out? Now this game we will play with another way. The name of this game is river and bank. When I say river, you have to jump in. Okay, when I say bank, you have to go outside. Okay? River, bank, river, bank, 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 river, bank, river, bank. River, bank, river, bank, river, bank, both out. Okay, no one is winner in this game. Welcome again. We played many games, right? Now let's do one experiment. Today we are going to make mobiles. In birthday parties, children use bubbles for enjoying. So let's learn at home how to make bubbles, right? For that we need a bowl, shampoo, scissor, water as per our requirement, and pens or pens. Now what we have to do? Pour some water in bowl. Cut the shampoo and pour into that water. I have taken here 2 shampoos. You can use as per your requirement. Now, what you have to do? Mix it well. It's taking your time. Now our bubble is ready. You can see here the bubbles. Now if you want to make a big bubble, you can use this type of cutting bottles. See here. Have you seen that? You can make a big bubble also. Thank you.